Now going over to question 21, here we have a situation where the museum is charging a certain amount for the first 25 people and a different amount for additional people after that. We call that subscription algebra, or the algebra of included amounts. For instance, in the 1990s, cell phones became popular. At that time, you'd pay about $40 per month. That would include around 700 minutes. After that, you'd pay 35 cents per minute. The equation would look like this: 40 plus 0.35, and the included amount would be x minus 700. In other words, you would only pay the 35 cents for amounts over 700. Now, this equation only works if x is greater than or equal to 700, but it does work. For instance, if you spoke 710 minutes, this whole thing would be equal to 710 minus 700, which is 10, and you'd pay the extra 35 cents 10 times because you went 10 minutes over on your included amount. Similarly here, the cost is $21 for the first 25 people, and after that, it's $14 for each additional person after the 25. So now just thinking about how this makes sense, if x were 30, this whole parentheses here would be equal to 5, and you'd pay the 14 5 times because 5 more people came than what was included in the initial amount. So now we're just going to go ahead and do some of the arithmetic here. 21 times 25 is 525. And we're distributing 14 times x, and 14 times negative 25, which is negative 350. And so now 525 minus 350 is 175. So we'll have 14x plus 175. In this question, they didn't use x, they used n, but it's the same idea. 14n plus 175, and that is answer choice A.